Agresifi, kompleksli.
Hi viewers! We share with you Çiçekleri Kamera Arkası. Dilbar shares with you its fun moments in Mardin. We present our eagerly awaited behind-the-scenes footage. They are having a lot of fun behind the scenes, as we can see. The behind-the-scenes footage shows them clearly having a blast. They seem to be enjoying each other's company immensely. Our Dilbar looks absolutely stunning together. They also come across as quite mischievous, which just adds to their charm. There are very few scenes in the morning hours. Dilan, our chick, praises him in a scene, and he thinks she's really praising him. Baran says, "I'm a lion."